Amanda, look outside.
Amanda, stop playing your phone. Look outside.
Wow, it's too greenish. Wow, it's so beautiful. Grandpa, nyanyi.
Amanda.
Grandpa, I miss you so much. I want to live here. How are you, Grandpa?
Atuk, nenek. Atuk sihat. Mari, naik atas.
Dad, I so bored.
Fi, walau ke mana kita melangit, bahasa kita jangan lupa.
Atuk, sawah padi terbentang luas. Nior berlambai di hujung kali. Indah di hati, jiwa terbebas. Bahasa Melayu sentiasa di hati.
Cucu Atuk.